Chimpanzees stand around 3 to 5.5 feet tall and weigh 70 to 130 pounds. Males tend to be larger and stronger than the females. Chimpanzees are covered in a thick coat of black or brown hair. Chimpanzees move through the trees and on the ground. When in the trees, they swing from branch to branch using their arms, but when on the ground, they usually walk on all fours. Although they can walk upright, they tend to walk leaning over using their knuckles and feet. When running, a chimpanzee can get up to around 25 miles per hour. Chimpanzees are considered omnivores, but most of their diet contains of fruit. They also eat insects, birds, and bird eggs. Insects and meat only contribute to about 2% of their diet. The rest contains fruit and plants. Chimpanzees are found in savanna woodlands, grassland forest mosaics, and tropical forest in Central and West Africa. Chimpanzees have the widest geographical distribution of any ape. Their range is more than 2.6 million kilometers, or 1.6 million miles. Chimpanzees live on average about 40 years in the wild or 60 years in captivity. A chimpanzee's gestation period is 8 months and they give birth every 3 to 4 years. A baby is carried everywhere for 5 months until it can walk. After that, the baby is dependent on its mother for at least 2 years. By the time a chimpanzee is about 4 years old, it becomes fully independent. Chimpanzees are very intelligent, curious, and social animals. They live in loose communities that can number from 10 to 100 individuals. Chimpanzees are the closest relative to humans. They actually share about 98% of their genes with humans. This is what makes them the smartest and most adaptable animal. They can solve problems, make and use tools, and have been seen utilizing medicinal plants. Chimpanzees have learned to make and use spears to hunt or protect themselves. They also protect themselves by throwing things at predators. Their main predators are leopards and humans. There are only about 300,000 chimpanzees left in the wild. They are losing their homes due to the forest being cut down for farming, settlements, and other activities. The reason I chose to research chimpanzees is because they are very similar to humans and are our closest relatives. They have similar traits and behaviors to us, and that's why I wanted to research them more.